In life, we all have financial aspirations, whether we realize it or not. It could be that new cell phone you have been eyeing, the family vacation you dream of, or even that home renovation project. Some might simplify their financial goals into one ambitious yet vague desire to become rich. But here's the catch: aspiring to be wealthy isn't a smart financial goal, and here's why. A specific goal is essential. Becoming wealthy is a desire, not a goal. To create a potent and achievable goal, it must specify a number. Achieving specificity involves asking essential questions. Who benefits from this goal? Why do you want it? What are the benefits and reasons? What's the exact target? When's the deadline? What do you need? And what's the limit you face? For example, while becoming rich is vague, a specific goal like increase monthly investments by 50,000 rupees to reach to profit in 15 years brings clarity and actionability to your aspirations. Measurable goals. When you set a goal, it's rewarding to track your progress. Having a target and a timeline enables you to monitor your achievements, motivating you with each milestone reached. Consider it like planning a vacation. You make a to-do list, check off items one by one. Likewise, with financial goals, having a measurable plan is very crucial. Suppose you are saving for a family vacation and you need to save 10,000 every month for 12 months to go on a trip next September. This way, your goal becomes easy to measure and track. Monthly, you can gauge your savings, adjust if needed, and even reward yourself for surpassing your target. Remember, the clearer your goal, the easier it is to track and achieve. Adjustable goals. Goals aren't all or nothing. They can be adjusted as life unfolds. You need not stress about unforeseen events. Goals aren't win or lose. You can achieve 100%, 85%, or 50%. The key is to keep working towards them and adapting as needed. Imagine you're saving for retirement, but then you lose your job during a tough economic time. You dip into retirement funds to cover expenses until you find a new job. It's not ideal, but fretting over timeline adjustment won't help. When employed again, rebuild your savings and tweak your retirement plan as necessary. Realistic goals. Our generation is driven. We aim to provide for our families, excel in our careers, and enjoy life pleasures. But is it realistic to pursue all these aspirations and more? When setting financial goals, embrace realism. Prioritize your goals, understand your capabilities, and stretch just enough to achieve that extra edge. Remember, avoid unnecessary risk and don't set yourself up for disappointment. Money is a tool to reach your dreams, not the end goal itself. Time-based goal. Without a time frame, a goal lacks urgency and progress measurement. A specific time frame like aiming to buy a 6 lakh car in 18 months gives you goal structure and a sense of achievement. Setting smart financial goals aren't just about managing your finance. It's about translating your dreams into actionable steps. These goals act as a compass and conscience, helping you make financial decisions that align with your objectives. So next time you consider a purchase, your financial awareness will guide you towards your goal, making every rupee count.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. For more information, visit kuvera.in.